Across the African Savannah, the Cape buffalo is enduring an assault from hundreds of blood-sucking ticks. But the ticks refuse to let G. Finally, the buffalo walks into a river.
As the water rises to its belly, and the first small fish begin to appear.
In just a few minutes, bar it. A dense school of fish surrounds every part of its body beneath the surface, from its belly and groin to its thighs, knees, and even it. Almost no exposed skin is left untouched. Another immediately takes its place. Later, several fish crowd into the same spot, pecking and pulling at parasites that cling tightly to the skin.
Bí mật của Curio.
Buffalo's horns and shoulders and back before quickly moving toward the areas with the heaviest tick infestations. Slender bills probe deep into the ear horn bases. Through the wrinkles of the neck and shoulders with every precise. Down to the next spot, searching for more hidden parasites. Never stop working. Covering everything from the buffalo's belly down to its legs, inspecting every patch of skin, every rink, and every layer of soft mud still clinging to its body. The water, the birds clean the areas the fish cannot reach. Two completely different species of cleaning the buffalo at the same time. population of the world. Royal blue reading slowly volume of. For the fish, this is a nutritious meal for the red-billed oxpeckers. It is a mutually beneficial relationship that greatly reduces the burden of parasites. Sometimes Samsung Galaxy A benefit every season 4. Each creature plays its own part in keeping the ecosystem in balance.